in order to use Beautify effects in the camera on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first of all we can press on this icon over here. This is in the photo mode, by the way. So you can tap on this icon in the bottom right corner of the preview of the camera, and then we can switch to Beautify. And if you are using the rear camera, then in this case we just have a simple slider which we can move to the left or to the right in order to adjust the strength of the Beautify effect. And also we can turn it off by tapping on this icon on the left side. And if you switch to the front camera, then in this case Beautify options include the smoothness of the skin, the tone, contour, makeup, slender, head size, hair, big eyes, nose, nasal tip, temples, cheekbones, lower jaw, chin, lips, hairline, and teeth. So lots of different options, and all of them can be adjusted by moving left and right, and we can also reset the parameter by using this icon on the left side. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!